Hey guys, this is a review of the DeckTok corner floor lamp, and the brand did send me a free one, so let's open it up, unbox it, build it, and see how it works. Okay, now you're gonna get the base over here. Get 3 lamp poles. This tube is the body, and over here you're gonna get some screws and a screwdriver. Now over here you're gonna get the adapter where it plugs into the wall. And this one over here is the remote. Now to build this thing, it's quite simple. You just take the tubes, you stick them in together, and then you're gonna use the provided screw in here and screw it right in. It's even magnetic here. Now that I got the 3 tubes connected here, I'm simply gonna stick it into the lamp. Next, we got to put in this body tube here. So you're simply going to plug it in over here and run it through. Now from the app here, it's going to allow you to choose from one of many different colors. You can see how easy that is. You can also adjust the brightness and the color temperature. You also have these pure whites, which come from dedicated LEDs. Now, as far as light modes, you're gonna have several to choose from. First of all, scenery, you can go Iceland Blue, Glacier Express, Sea of Clouds, Fireworks at Sea, Hut in the Snow, and over here, as far as life, if you press this one, you can go to game, holiday, work, party, trend. If you go to festival, you're gonna find Christmas. That's right, Christmas is included. Valentine's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and if you go to motion, up here, you're gonna choose from Summer Idol, Dream of the Sea, Love and Dream, Spring Fishing, Neon World, and several others. Now to demonstrate the music rhythm mode, I'm simply gonna speak and you're gonna see how it follows every word that I am saying. So this works great with music, if you're gaming, or if you're having a movie night, or a concert in your backyard. Also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a fun floor lamp for their everyday use or their next party.